Hi and welcome to Homestead Diary. This is Amber. So I was doing a video earlier, just a little bit on replacing an alternator on a Subaru, and took off a couple of the regular pieces, the cap, the air filter, which just attaches here, and here I just left the 10 millimeter bolt there because it's a Subaru, it's a metric, and so I took off the piece that runs across here, so that's this piece, and so just took off that nut, and then the actual part that is here, this bolt actually goes into here, and so if you release the tension on the see how I pulled it up? So this right here pulls the alternator up, which is releasing the belt. And so you pull that part up. Now your bolt will get looser and looser. And I looked in the back, so mine's really hard to find, and I was showing this earlier. This little nut here, you can see, I scraped it, and I think, and sometimes what they'll do is they'll actually weld it on. So that right there, the one of the little scratches that's silver, I think that's welded on. So I think that once I get this bolt slid out, then that will release the entire alternator. And to put it back in, you would just line it up, and it's since it's a fixed nut on the end of the bolt, it will just come off. And so I just pinched this shut and popped that off there, and then I just took the positive off of here. Of course, the positive and negative were already taken off of the battery, and the ignition was already in the off position. So bless you, honey. So that's about it. So it's between a 10 millimeter and a 12 millimeter bolt. Sometimes you need a longer socket to be able to get into that location, but we'll see how it goes. I hope you have a blessed day. Woohoo!